Dr. Peel, thank you so much for being willing to chat with us today about mentorship. I wonder if you could get things started by sharing a little bit about what your mentorship experiences have been like. You've been here at the University of Michigan for 2 years as a fellow and about 6 months as an early faculty member. And I would love to hear from you about what's been most helpful in terms of mentorship as you're starting to launch your career trajectory here.
Well, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to speak with you guys today. I was really fortunate when I started here at Michigan Medicine to be in the National Clinician Scholars Program, which has an incredible infrastructure for mentoring, both in formal ways, but also some more informal structures too. Right from the moment you arrive, there's a great group of mentors who's available for your every question, and they encourage us to have formal on the books meetings, which keeps you honest with yourself and your mentors and on top of all of those tasks. We also had peer mentorship groups, which was an incredible place for cross pollination. I had never worked with surgeons, with nurses, with people from other specialties, and hearing the methods and the ideas that they were considering really helped me to grow in my own thinking. And that was true of the groups across the university. I joined CHOP, I was participating in POWER, which is a women's health group, and really being with these different interprofessional individuals helped me to think very differently about my research and its implications. I think one of the really amazing things that happens here at Michigan is that these spaces are places where you don't have to know. And so it's a safe space to ask questions and figure out what exactly is a K award or how does the NIH work, which I'm still not quite sure I get. But definitely places where you can be vulnerable and you don't have to know everything in the same way that you might have in your clinical training. I think finally are those informal mentorship opportunities that happen, whether that's sitting down for lunch or being on an informal Zoom call these days, but also the sort of online mentors that we have here at IHPI, the ability to access a full archive of grants and people's willingness to pass on those resources so that you can learn from how other people have written, thought about, talked about ideas.